Are you experiencing a corona quake? A corona quake is a wrenching life change that rates super highly on the stress scale. At worst, it could be the loss of a loved one, it could be the loss of your primary home, and it could be something that's so common these days, the loss of your job. Based on the study of stress, today I have 3 tips to help you settle your quake and move into more calm and action. To settle your quake and move into transition, first, click on the mindset reset. Turn stress into opportunity. One way to achieve this refreshed mindset is to watch or listen to inspiring stories from others who've experienced extreme hardship or extreme loss, and they've picked themselves up and moved on. Next is make a fresh start. During your transition, try doing something new, something you've always wanted to do. Maybe that's planting an herb garden, or dancing, or studying a new language, something creative. When you do something new, that change will stimulate your brain. New neural pathways will form, and that will prime you to pursue new opportunities. And finally, become the lead hero. You might be feeling like the victim right now for good reason. The hardship you're experiencing, your corona quake, was not your making. It was not your choice. This is an opportunity for you to rewrite your narrative with you being not the victim, but the hero. What would your story sound like if you were the hero at the end of it? I'd love to hear how you settle your corona quake and move into transition. For now, have a blast, be the hero, and please subscribe on YouTube.